everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. You guys might have seen me shopping from my subscribers' businesses in the past, and I very well intend on continuing that series, but we're taking it kind of a step further where some of these businesses are from my subscribers, but all of them are DIY businesses. So things made by hand, think hand embroidered outfits, handmade bags, jewelry, and so much DIY goodness. I actually started my journey by DIYing, so this just feels so right. The whole point of this video is to really celebrate craftsmanship, creativity, and to really embrace real people with real stories and so much effort. I too own a business which is called Simba Lifestyle, so I know the amount of effort that goes into running a business on its own. So by making these videos, I'm just trying to promote other businesses and potentially explore some really cool pieces. So having said all of that, let's get started with today's video. We're starting with the first brand, which is called C Store Clothing. Now what they do is they bring your Pinterest board to life. They make custom outfits. So I believe you could show them a picture from your Pinterest and they would recreate it, hand stitch the whole thing for you according to your measurements, obviously. I was stalking their Instagram as one does, and the vibe that I got primarily was very global desi and heritage reimagined. Like they take these classic heirlooms and they give it a modern silhouette. I was really attracted to their corsets, so I picked exactly that. And look at this Banarasi corset. I love the gold with the black, and I feel like this could be styled in so many different ways, with a black pair of trousers, with a draped skirt, with a sari. I feel like I would use this so much, and the fabric, the quality, the stitching looks so nice to me. I think if you have a birthday coming up and if you want to do a very specific outfit, if you have a very specific vision, I think they would be great at like bringing that to life. So this costed me 1699 rupees, but I do want to add that their size chart is insane. It starts from a 3XS all the way to a 6XL. So that's really good. I think talking about the price, I think it's pretty decently priced, because anyway corsets बहुत I think labor of love hai banana corsets ko, and this is really good. I don't mind paying the price for something that is so custom and unique. Up next we have a brand that makes handmade jewelry, and the brand is called Ciao Bella. Their page is so cool. Seasonally we wo pieces drop karte hain according to what's happening, and it's the most unique jewelry that you'll ever see. I think it's such a great place to shop for your haldi and mehndi, because haldi and mehndi where people really go out with their jewelry. It's such a cool page, and the fact that it's handmade, claps. I picked up these two pieces. मैंने थोड़े से quote unquote basic pieces choose kiye out of their entire collection, because I wanted to be able to actually wear it. And I'm gonna be honest, I'm not that experimental when it comes to my jewelry. मुझे बहुत specific type के earrings पसंद है. So these are the two that I picked up. We have these statement ones right here. Love the pink. ये वाले मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद आए. Very cool, and these would be fun to style. 900 and 800 rupees के लिए काफी ज्यादा अच्छे है ये, and quality भी मुझे बहुत अच्छी लग रही है. I think this is a page that I'm going to explore to really get out of my comfort zone, or if I want to get like a specific jewelry made, because I believe that they would do that since it's a handmade brand. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up for sure. For 2026, I am really feeling the saris, and this is going to be the year where I learn how to drape a sari successfully on my own. So I've been of course meaning to buy more saris, and not just the pre-draped kind, but like the original kind as well. And we found a store which is called the Palash store that does these hand embroidered, handcrafted saris. बहुत beautiful collection है उनका, and I picked this one right here. This is giving दीदी तेरा देवर दीवाना but minimal. It's a beautiful bengan color. I love the hand embroidery all over it. बहुत ही minimal है ये. Like you see the border, that's it, and then they have these छोटी छोटी ticklies all over. But that's it. It's a very minimal sari. Saying it again, and the cost is for 6,500 rupees, which I feel like थोड़ा expensive है. Like if this was priced at 5,000, I think it would be perfect. It's a chanderi fabric. I actually did wear this very recently when I went to Banaras. बहुत ही comfortable थी साड़ी, and मुझे ये color बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद है मेरे पे. I am glad that I bought it because I don't have anything in this color, but I just wish that the price was slightly lower and then it would have just made it perfect for me. But I'm not mad about this purchase because just look at it. It's a 10 on 10. This is the next product. Actually, iske andar a next product. So this is by a brand called Karman. Now Karman, what they do is they use surplus, and it's made by artisans who have disabilities, which is obviously such a great initiative. And what I have picked up is something from their denim range. I feel like they do really cool denim stuff. So they use leftover denim scraps and patchwork essentially to create a new piece altogether. Now this is not a cheap brand, it's an expensive brand for sure, and I picked up this right here. So this is a makeup pouch or just a storage pouch, whatever, you can use it for whatever. And as you can see, it has different patches of denim, and I think it looks really cool. The fabric feels very premium and it's very well stitched, it's very unique. But my only complaint would be the zip is good quality. I'm not saying that it's bad, but I just feel like they could have used a more premium looking zip rather than this black one. It's just giving a little blah sort of a vibe. Like I feel like a nicer zip, maybe like a golden zip, would have looked really cool. But that is just a personal design preference. This was for 599 rupees, which I think is good. That's very decently priced. So if you do want to support artisans with disabilities and also get a really unique, cool product, definitely check them out. Next, we have an Instagram page. Now they do a lot of crocheting and also resin work, and the page is called Art by Drishti. I think this is such a Pinteresty page, and especially with Valentine's Day coming up, they have some really cool crochet flowers which you could potentially gift, along with cute little teddy bears which are also crocheted. They are so cute, but मैंने आज तक कभी भी नहीं देखा था a crocheted phone cover, so I thought that this was very, very unique, and I picked this up. It's so cute. I love the lavender base with all of these different colors. I'm just gonna put it on my phone. It feels very sturdy, and what I really like is that even when I look at it up close and personal, I can't point out flaws. Like, you know, handwork में usually कभी कभी दिख जाता है, but ये बहुत ही well made है. They actually make really cute bags as well. Those are so cute and so Pinteresty. And guys, this is made by hand. Can you imagine the number of hours that might have gone to make this piece of art? Love it. And this costed me 650 rupees, which I approve of for sure. We have another jewelry brand. Now this jewelry brand makes custom jewelry, of course. I just went onto their Instagram page and they are selling these watches which were not available when I placed an order. If they were, I would have 100% placed an order for these watches because how stunning are these? Other than that, they also do handcrafted customized jewelry. Like I saw this beautiful necklace which is just so stunning. Now what I picked up are these earrings right here. There's actually a very specific reason why I picked these up. It's because I thought that these looked very similar to the Amama brand that I shopped from recently, and Amama, the brand, is very, very popular. आजकल बहुत ही ज़्यादा pop off हो रहा है, but उनकी jewelry बहुत ही ज़्यादा expensive है. अच्छी quality की है, but it's extremely expensive. And these were so affordable, and they are very, very similar, but still very good quality. So I feel like this brand could be a great, I don't want to call it a dupe, but a great alternative to Amama. I also picked up these really cute hair accessories. It's like a cute chand with pile around it. You can easily put it in your hair. I should not put it in my hair and ruin it. It comes with a U-pin, so you can like put it in your braids, in your buns, half up, half down. It could just like really up your hair game, especially with the wedding season still being around. My only छोटू सा constructive criticism would be कि जैसे ये वाले obviously glue किए गए हैं, like hot glue gun किए गए हैं, so you could just like remove ये जो निकलता है ना hot glue gun का. It would just give like a more polished look to the brand essentially. But it's not really a big deal. Like I can easily remove it myself also. Earrings were for 550 and these were for 800. Set of 4 आया ये. I think this is such a good brand. बहुत ही ज़्यादा unique jewelry है because Instagram पे बहुत सारी jewelry pages है. We know that. And usually all of them tend to have very similar looking jewelry. ये वाला यूनिक है, चेकआउट करना फॉर श्योर. मैंने बहुत सारे प्रिडिक्शंस देखे हैं फॉर 2026 एंड वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट वन इज मैक्सिमलिज्म. मैक्सिमलिज्म इज हियर एंड आई एम all for it. The clean girl aesthetic is taking kind of like a back seat and I found a brand that does maximalism at its best. It's a brand called Futari. I hope I'm saying it correctly and this is what I picked up. So this brand is print first and it is unapologetically colorful, which I, again, as I said, I love. I actually forgot what I got. So there's a crop top with a beetroot print all over it. ये hand blocked है by the way और 100% cotton है. And oh, it's a skirt along with it. This is gonna be so comfy but so fun and so summery. I have been exposed to quite a few reels on my Instagram about how cotton is really good. It has a very high frequency as compared to polyester and all the other dead fabrics. So I am थोड़ा सा consciously trying to buy more cotton या फिर linen. And this is my attempt at doing it in a very fun way. So ये set मुझे पड़ा 3000 rupees का. So expensive तो है for sure. And मैं थोड़ा सा on the fence थी about the pricing. But having worn this and having touch this in my hand, it's very nice. It's unique. You know, you're paying for the price of not a lot of people owning it. It's not like a Zara or a H&M. Of course, it's very easily accessible. Their website is very easy to use, but it's unique, you know. And I believe this needs to blow up. And oh my god, their saris, bro. Like, it's such a fun brand and I intend on shopping more from them for sure. The next brand does all things flowers. It's called Pocket Full of Flowers, which is such a cute name. Now, this is also Mumbai's first ever flower bar. They make these beautiful DIY bouquets which are very cute, like crochet flowers. I think we've seen it all, but this brand takes it a step further. It looks very luxe and it's very cool. Like, check out the for sure karna. And again, Valentine's Day ke liye it's great. They do a lot of great gifting options. What I also saw that they did were these DIY resin pop sockets and it gave me a very Pinteresty vibe. So I picked one up for myself. I picked up this hibiscus and it's a pop socket. I actually don't own a pop socket and I've been meaning to buy one. So I was like, let's just buy a really unique one. So पीछे इसके tape है. Center में नहीं लगाया है मैंने. This is so cute. Okay, इसका tape is not the best because the first round में ही निकल गया. But look at it. It's really cute. Visually, I really like how this looks. My only complaint would be that when you look at it up close and personal, you can see that the resin, जब वो dry हो रहा था, I think किसी का thumb लग गया या कुछ तो लग गया. So it's not like even and smooth. It's a little bit messy when I look at it up close and personal. It's for 200 rupees. The pricing is great. The tape I feel like could be better quality ka because it's just easily popping off. The tape is definitely of concern because it's not sticky at all, but that's another little thing that can easily be corrected. But I think this is very unique. I'll only myself change the tape and use this because I find it very, very adorable. The last two brands that we have, I've actually picked up purses, bags from both of them. The second last brand that I'm going to start off by talking about is called That Romeo. So this brand is giving Jaipur. The prints, the colors, super fun, very Gen Z and also Pinteresty. The minute I saw this bag, I was like, I need to buy it. I love the stripes I love the evil eye. I love this little bag charm. Yeah, you could call it a bag charm. And I love tote bags. I love throwing everything in one bag and not having to worry about it. This does not come with a zip, which I am okay with personally. It comes with a little button. And oh, एक और bag charm है. Oh, इसमें. Oh, okay, that's cute. So now I have two bag charms, super cute ones. इसके अंदर कोई भी compartment नहीं है, which I am again okay with. I feel like they could have added a zip inside, that would have been good. But बहुत अच्छे quality की है ये. So there's like a patchwork thing happening. It's hand stitched. I think this is really, really cute. It's for 1,700 rupees. Not bad, yaar. I think it's cute. And this brand also does some super cute tube tops. बहुत cute है उनके tube tops. बहुत ही Jaipur X Pinterest vibe है. Okay, that brings us to the very last bag I have saved. The best for the last. It's from a brand called Crystal Vision. And it came in a dust bag, which is great. This is what the bag looks like. It's fully handmade, and just look at it. I obviously had to get it in a pink color. This feels like something that Cinderella would carry almost. This is, by the way, a very heavy bag. I think it would be 1.52 kgs probably. It comes with a little button inside, and it could actually fit quite a few things, but you wouldn't want to because you don't want to like ruin the vibe of it. This is a very beautiful bag, and I can't even imagine the number of hours it would have taken to make this. Now, this brand Crystal Vision does primarily bags. They have so many different types of crystal bags. देखने लायक है ये page for sure. Again, I can't just wrap my head around the fact that this was made by hand. I can't wait to style it because it's beautiful. It's so precious. Now this was for 3,400 rupees, which I actually think is justifiable because अगर आप कोई Zara से बैग खरीदोगे उतने ही प्राइस की आएगी वो, and ये तो हाथ से बनी है यार, and this is so unique. बहुत ही impressed हूँ मैं ये बैग से. I can't wait to wear this. And with that, we have come towards the end of today's video. I am actually so happy I made this video because through this, not only I, but you as well were able to discover these incredibly talented small businesses that make things with so much creativity, love, and passion. So I would highly encourage you guys to shop and support all of these businesses. Whatever you choose to buy, I think it would really make their day. And yeah, that's basically it to today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Mridula Aditya as well. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.